All right, guys, if you're not feeling essential during this quarantine, now you can be. All you have to do is throw a light bar on top and you instantly become essential. All right, guys, here it is. Get the box in from Amazon, and this is it. So this is from Zmoon. That's the part number there, and it says LED strobe flashing roof safety amber and white. So check that out. There you go. So this does have a magnetic base. It's supposed to have pretty strong magnets on it, and here's a picture of it there. Lights on the front and rear. There you go. So pretty simple. You get this thing hooked up and check it out. And like I said, if you're stuck in quarantine, all you got to do is look essential. You can ride around at night. All right, guys, this is it. Look at that. This is actually pretty nice. It's seems real nice. It's got some rubber feet, bottom of the magnets, and the lights seem to be very high quality. The whole bar seems to be pretty sturdy and well put together. It's actually pretty impressive. So I'll show you how easy the installation is. All right, so let me show you how easy this installation is. Right about there. Pretty sweet. Let's hook up the wire. All right, guys, these magnets hold excellent. I mean, they're really holding on there great. And this is how I ran the wire, and just kind of tucked it in behind the rubber and just wrapped over the top of the steering wheel here. Unless you want to be, essential all the time, then you can just drape it through, and then pretty simple operation. Flip it on, and this one selects your flash rate. So here you go. Check that out. I think I like this one the best, actually, because it kind of flips back and forth. So there's a few different settings on here. You see a couple different things here. Change it up. Change it again. Yeah, it does all kinds of different flash patterns here. Pretty cool. Oh, that's a real dim one there. Let's see which one looks the coolest at night. Another one there. There's another one. Let's see here. I think this is one of the ones I like the best. Kind of zips back and forth. It'll get your attention, I'm sure. These things are pretty dang bright. It's on all the time. It's pretty sweet. We'll have to check it out at night. Man, these things are super bright, and they work really, really good. It's really hard to tell how bright these are on the phone, but pretty darn bright. These seem like really high quality lights if you need these, but it is kind of fun to play around, and the essential thing is just having fun. But you could run around with these, I guess, and I'll tell you what, it would be good for doing if you're pulling somebody out or had to stop somewhere on the side of the road or a breakdown or, you know. So yeah, guys, you know, these could be great if you're, you know, in the snow and trying to help pull people out or whatever, the full wheel and you don't want to get hit at night or something like that, you know, icy conditions or whatever. So these things could be great for that, or maybe even hauling something. If you're hauling a, you know, a wide trailer or a car on the back and you want some lights in there where people will see you coming. But definitely check your local and state laws to see if you can have, you know, white and amber lights, if that's okay, or call a local police department or something like that before you start just randomly running. However, for safety though, you know, it's not a bad idea. So appreciate Zmoon or whatever for sending these to us, and or Zmoon, or, you know, however you say it, but pretty cool. These are really nice, and appreciate them sending them to us and supporting the channel and helping us out. So all right, guys, appreciate it, and hope y'all enjoyed it.
Wait, essential now.